I love this quilt shop. Yes, Natalie is fantastic and all the ladies are great. And they help me put quilts together, and it's just a fun place to be.
Yeah, and their fabric
There
variety.
are projects all over.
Yeah.
Yes.
I could spend a lot of time and a lot
Yes.
of money here.
Yes. Yes.
And what's your name?
Emily.
Thank you, Emily.
Oh, well, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, friends. We are so glad you're with us again today. We are in Lubbock, Texas, at a little shop called
The Sewing Studio.
This is a super cute little shop. So we're going to flip the camera around and you're going to meet the owner and she's going to take us on a tour. You're going to love it. It is so adorable and they have such a huge variety of the cutest fabrics. So let's go check it out.
Okay. Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm the owner of the Sewing Studio, and I'm so excited that you have the opportunity to visit us and let me showcase a little bit of our favorite things. We sell everything from sewing machines to sergers to embroidery machines to the long arms. We really have most of the baby lock sewing machines here to offer. And I'm just going to show you a couple of my favorite things about our larger machines. Of course, we have the multi-needles. And some of the technology that's built into our embroidery machines is really cool. So I have this picture of my son that I took at the beach. And it is just a JPEG picture from the computer. And with the technology that's in the larger baby lock sewing embroidery machines, you can actually take and stitch that out in thread.
What?
And so I did nothing but put the picture into the sewing machine. And this was just me pushing the buttons to see what it would do on its own. There's a lot more editing I could have done, but I just wanted to see what it would do. And it stitched it out beautifully in thread.
That is gorgeous.
So that's one of our favorite things.
So you could do like several of those, like with several, like a lot of different pictures, and then put the quilt blocks together.
My idea is actually there's 6 grandkids, and I thought if I did one of each of the grandkids and made a wall hanging for the grandparents, it would be so much fun.
Gorgeous.
So that is between that, and then they have cameras built into them, so for positioning I can load something and know exactly where I'm at.
So which machine did that?
The Meridian.
This one right here.
Yeah. And that's what on their hoops they have basically a QR code. And so that allows us to scan it with our cell phones and have something placed in here and then be able to lay over our designs on the hoops.
So do you repair machines in here as well, or?
We do. We have a baby lock technician that's here with us all the time. Actually, my dad is the one helping me, and he's gone to training and done it for 2 years. He's helped me here. And then I have another gentleman that comes up from the Dallas area, and we service all machines. So we can do clean, oil, and adjust. Even on those featherweights you have at home, we can do all of it. Here, one of my absolute favorite new ones is the Life is Sweet, and it's all of the summer fabrics and just so much fun to finally be out of winter and doing some fun bright colors. And then we've also got in a new line, and this one is Honeybee, and it's just beautiful, the blacks and the golds from that line.
I don't know why, but I love all honeybee fabrics. Like, I don't know. They're so fun.
They're so fun. They're just bright and happy.
Yeah.
And there's some really pretty honeycomb ones in that one too. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that fun?
And the colors are so sharp. Everything is so beautiful. Yeah.
So I took over the shop in 2019, and so that was October of 2019. So that's about 3 months before the pandemic started. And realistically, you guys in the community like this has really helped us survive that. We got everything online. I have these absolutely beautiful windows, and we put all of our fabric in the window and kind of did window shopping. And so people could drop by and tell me what they wanted and call me and place an order.
Oh, that's perfect. So I assume you have an online presence.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
so we'll link that in the description below.
Awesome. Ladybird and then Indigo Garden. So Indigo Garden has been really great, and we have the quilt kit that just kind of showcases all the fabrics, and then that has been a really good seller.
That's really pretty.
But it's really bright and happy.
Do you know what though I like about these colors is if you look at them, they can kind of feel springy or summertime or kind of fall or kind of Christmassy.
Right, because you could, I mean, like you
know?
really go for like the golds and the yellows in it and like change the season completely.
Yeah, for sure.
So, and we've really had a lot of fun with this one because of the mustard yellow in it.
Really? People are digging this? This mustard yellow color?
Yeah. with the blues and the pinks.
Oh, that is pretty.
Right?
That's a nice combination.
Yeah, it's a really nice, it's a different combination, but I think it's kind of hip right now.
Yeah.
So that is one of the ones.
One thing I noticed, I don't mean to interrupt you, but I forget things easily, so if I think them, I have to say them.
Yeah.
And that is that you guys have a lot of layer cakes.
Oh, yes.
You guys have a
all
lot
the
of layer
pre-cuts.
cakes, and not all shops have a lot of pre-cuts.
Yeah.
And you have quite a few. I love that.
We I really like to have the balance because sometimes you just need a quick project that are pre-cut friendly, and so then we do that, and it kind of leads me over here to show you. We kit up and do 3-yard quilt kits, and it's all of those 3-yard patterns, and we try to mix and match. I have a black so that we have the patterns here.
Okay.
And then the quilt kits, and so people can kind of it's kind of like a quick and easy. You can find some set of fabric that you really like, and then you have the patterns right here that match them all, so you can mix and match and have a lot of fun.
Okay.
I have to tell you about this Yellow Rose of Texas up here behind me.
That's gorgeous.
It's over 1,500 1-inch squares.
What? Okay.
And so during the pandemic, me and each of the ladies that helps me here took a piece of it and made it while we were locked in quarantine. And then we put it together, and it just really showcases us as a family, and showcases who we are. So,
I love that.
And we love the Yellow Rose of Texas here. So
You have to. Hi, you're on Candid Camera.
I'm shopping in the best stores. So
Yeah.
I'm be on Candid Camera in the best store.
I really love the tradition of quilting, but then how do we bridge that to new people, right? Like how do we take that and continue that that tradition on, and what does it look like? And so technology is very much a piece of that for a lot of people, and making it quicker in the time frame that we have to work in. What does that look like? And so I really have to manage the different fabrics that we have here because we have this wide range of clients. And so we have the ones that are geared towards the 30s and the 40s, and then we have the really bright and beautiful because we have all those people that love that. So it's really important to me that I kind of honor that.
So can people come in and like rent this, or just you run it?
We showcase all of them, and I show how to use them, and we do training on these machines, but we don't rent the machines out. So, but the Regalia is probably one of my favorite machines to do.
Fun. That's festive.
So it's called the Blue Onion. That's the pattern. So if you look online and you want to do something with curves, that's called the Blue Onion. And it's actually, I've used the Casada line of fabric from Moda, and along with some of their Bellas, and it takes the Creative Grid ovals all over ruler.
Cool. And then show us, what's this one back here? Besides, that's my husband. We know who that is, but.
So along with our lovely mess from class today, this is a lunchbox trunk show, and what they've done is make samples of all their different patterns and let us have them. And so we have them on display, and we actually, you kind of get in a special treat because we had them for January, and then she let me keep them. So I've had them since January. But what a great way to kind of see all the different things that you can do with an embroidery machine these days.
I was so excited to be able to learn how to use ours. We are going to learn how to use it. We're working on it.
We're working on it.
We're working on
There's
it.
like pretty campers. Just
I know. I love this. This, of course, is my favorite.
Picnic
Love
table
the
wouldn't do that
ice
either.
cream. Love this. These are so fun.
Did y'all see
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Gradient? This is Gradient Parfait,
That is so fun.
which I think is like the best name ever. So, so we have that, and then some of the other ones that really stand out. I mean, like the blues and stuff. I mean, I'm a blue person.
Pretty. Yeah,
And then these dots. Look at these dots.
I love that.
So the Gradient Parfait just got here, and it's going on our website actually today. And so, you know, there's so many fun things. And did you see all the buttons?
Well, I was over here looking, and I was like, what is this? And I kind of pulled this out, and I was like, oh, that is what it is.
Yeah, there's like all the tubes of the different ones that we have.
Well, they're fun, but what do you use them for?
So I, along with quilting, we like to do all kinds of different crafts. And so these are perfect for bags
Yeah.
or jackets. And the other button stack that we have over there, it has all the specialty buttons. So lots of vintage buttons.
Cool.
We had all kinds of things. So along with the machines and the different fabrics and things we offer, we also offer a bunch of classes. So if you're ever in the area and have time, you can look on our website for our class calendar, and you can click on the day, and it'll actually show you the project and all the supplies that are needed for that day. So here's one. This is the glam bag, and it has been so popular, and especially in y'all's lives, what a great way to organize some of the things you have.
Yeah, with full-time RVers.
Yes.
Yeah, that's perfect. And speaking of that, is there, if they come here, now we chose this one because it seems pretty easy access. Where would you suggest they park if they've got their rig?
So if you have your rig, we are just across from a huge shopping center for TJ Maxx and Steinmart, and then the Mardells. And so it is huge, and you're welcome to park there and just walk right across.
Oh, wow.
What's more beautiful than a wall of threads? And look how organized it is.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's kind of like the rainbow of colors. So we carry isocord embroidery threads, and we carry all the colors. So if you're in the middle of an embroidery project, we have probably the color that you need.
Yeah, I would say.
We carry 100% cotton Orifil. We have isocord. We do serging. So most anything that you can get yourself into, I bet you find something here.
I love this. It kind of makes me want to go on a picnic.
Well, I think it's called Sunday Stroll.
Perfect. That's a perfect name for it. I wondered, I was going to ask you about that, what that is.
So all of these Villa Rosa patterns use 12 fat quarters. So we've round up all the Villa Rosa patterns that use 12 fat quarters, and we've taken and bundled 12 fat quarters together. And so then that way you can kind of mix and match for something else a little fun too.
Perfect.
And they're just fun. I mean, like,
Yeah. Well, everything's fun. This whole store's fun. Okay, so tell me about this room over here.
okay. So this one, this is our sale room. And so it used to be an office, and I knocked out the cabinets over New Year's Eve, actually, this year. And I've put it in here, and all the fabrics in here are 35% off of what they normally are. You'll find some of them online. And we also take in what you'll find on the wall are yard cuts that we've marked down to $7.99.
Perfect. Oh, yeah, I see. Sale nook, 35% off. Oh, this is a fun nook. And there's some ribbon. Oh, and some pre-cuts. Nice. Oh, look at that. I love this. Oh, sorry, I got caught shopping.
That was a good set.
I gotta focus. I do that sometimes. I get caught shopping instead of filming. Look, you guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's so fun.
And that's actually a fat eighth bundle. Instead of fat quarters, those are fat eighths. Moda makes those. Thank you so much for dropping by the sewing studio here in Lubbock, Texas. We love having the opportunity to be on one of the routes where we get to visit people from all over the states. It's kind of amazing in that way. So if you find something that you like, you can always order on our website, thesewingstudio.com. We also take phone orders. We have our Facebook page, so if you want to follow us on Facebook, we're always updating it with the latest and greatest, all the fun classes we have, and all the fun we have here. So I really hope you have the chance to drop by and see me in person. Otherwise, safe travels.